Hi, my name is Maria Andrea Rodriguez Vergara. I am 50 years old. I am from Montelibano, Córdoba, but I have been living in the city of Valledupar from the year 2003. I am currently a student of system engineering at the National Open and Distance University, SUNAT. I have been working for 5 years in the Hospital Rosario Tomares Lopez as a head of authorization. I really like traveling with my family. I like house music. At this moment, I want to talk about a holiday that is celebrating every year on the city of Valledupar. The Vallenata Legend Festival, also called Vallenato Festival, is the most recognized event of Vallenata music. It is a celebrated annually in late April or early May since 1968 in Valledupar, and is organized by the Vallenata Legend Festival Foundation. The festival seeks to preserve the core of 5 areas streams: the vallenato, paseo, merengue, son, and puyo. In addition, the genre area, the parranda, piazza poetic, stories, legends, myths, oral tradition, literal expression, sociocultural and artistic associated with the vallenato. The Vallenato Festival is identified as the most recognized event of vallenato music. Its main instrument is the accordion, accompanied with the bows and the guacharaca, present folk music and various types of cultural events. I final to invite you to come and enjoy these holidays. Fine. Thank you and bye.